Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the ISO and the correct USB. This is essential because corrupt media wastes time. Download the official Windows 10 ISO or run the Media Creation tool and plug in an 8 GB plus flash drive. Make sure you've backed up any files on the USB. Once done, install or open Rufus if you prefer advanced options. Otherwise, use the Media Creation tool. You need administrator privileges, so the tool can write boot sectors and create a proper installer. Now create the bootable drive. In Rufus, choose the device, pick the downloaded Windows 10 ISO, and select the partition scheme, GPT for UEFI or MBR for legacy BIOS. Use NTFS when the install. WIM exceeds 4 GB. Use FAT32 when strict UEFI is required. You can split the WIM if needed. Click Start, agree to any prompts, and let the tool write and verify the files. Make sure the process finishes fully. Interrupting it can leave the USB unbootable. To finish, plug the USB into the target computer and boot from it by changing the boot order or using the boot menu key. You'll enter Windows Setup. Choose Language, accept the license, then select Custom Install to pick or create partitions. Be cautious when deleting partitions to avoid data loss. Once installation begins, the system will reboot several times. If the USB does not boot, recreate it with the correct partition scheme. Try FAT32 versus NTFS, or test the drive on another PC to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.